Hey, what's up everyone? If you hit this video, then you must be wondering how to apply a strip lash. If not, stick around. There is a really fun surprise bonus tutorial at the end of this video. This video is not very long at all. My name is Lulu. This is Lulu Creations. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so first you just want to start off with a pack of lashes. Doesn't matter what brand. I use the Eylure brand. People use Lily lashes, people use lashes off Amazon, doesn't matter. It all tends to work the same. If you notice, I don't have any mascara on, so that'll make it a little bit more difficult trying to get them on. This is so fancy because they come in like this little box. So some lashes will come with these tweezers. I do not use them. I use my own tweezers. I'm just putting that out there. So in this video, I will not be using this glue or these tweezers. There's nothing wrong with them. Go ahead and use them if you would like, but I personally work better with my own pair of tweezers and my own glue. The glue that I'm using today is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with vitamins. I really like this because it goes on blue, and when it's ready to go on, it dries clear. I also like that there's vitamins in it because I am applying it to my lashes. I really like how long my lashes are, if you can see, and I want them to continue to grow and be long, but if I keep applying gunky lash glue to it, I'm gonna inhibit that. So vitamins all the way. So one of the first things I do when I pull the lashes out of the box is I will hold it to my eye to see if I need to trim any part of the lash. Generally I don't because I have rather big eyes, but if your eyes are smaller, you might want to trim like the inner or the outer corner off. Okay, so I tested this against my eye. It looks good to go. It looks like it's gonna fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and position this. I'm gonna zoom this in so you guys can really see this. And I'm going to put the lash glue on my lashes. So as I put this lash glue on, you can see that it's blue. And then I'll just sit here and I'll blow on them until that starts to dry. One of the things I forgot to show you guys is that if you flip the lash around, there's like a flat part of this strip, and that's where I apply the lash glue to. Not to like the top of the lash, but along that flat surface of the lash. You can see when I turn this lash around that the glue on the outer edges is now clear. There's still a little bit of blue on the center of the lash, so not quite ready to be applied yet. All right, I think we are ready. So I'm hoping I can like get this in view for you guys. Sorry if it's a little messy. I'm like looking down as I'm doing this. So I'm gonna keep my eye down, but I have a mirror down here that I'm looking down on, so my eye stays closed. And I'm just gonna place the center of it down, and very gently I'm going to grab the corners and pull them in. Usually it's easier for me to start with the inner corner. I'm just gently taking the flat surface of my tweezers and pressing that strip down flat to make sure that there's no areas for it to rise. The inner corner tends to lift on this eye for me, but that actually wasn't too bad. And that's how you lay a lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and then I apply my mascara. Sometimes when you take the lashes out of the box, you'll get clumps of glue up here. I just pull those off because I don't want that interfering with my eye. All right, and then once your lashes are on, you're gonna go ahead and take your mascara and do your bottom lashes. And this just really ties everything all together. Look, at the end of the day, lashes just make a whole look that much better. They complete everything. I think lashes and brows are like the two most beautiful things that you can do to really bring the attention to the eyes, which also distracts from other features that you may or may not be insecure about. For me, it is my lips and like my mouth area. I am so absolutely insecure about that. So for a little bang for your view, I am going to be doing a lip contouring tutorial to try and fool people in thinking that I have lip injections. So if you're someone that can afford lip injections, don't watch this. But if you're someone like me who just really likes playing with makeup, but you're a little insecure about your lips, go ahead, give this a watch, give it a try. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, by the way, because I've never done this before. I just recently saw it on a clip on Instagram and I was like, oh, that looks fun. So there weren't any instructions that went along with it, and it wasn't a video, it was just like a little grid of photos, and I'm gonna try and piece it all together and see what we come out with. So stick around. Otherwise, if you get lip injections, like, you don't have to watch this part, but you can still give me a thumbs up and still subscribe to my channel before you go. Okay, you guys. So first things first, I'm going to apply a lip plumping mask, and I've actually already done this. So I'm gonna rewind this clip back about 20 minutes ago before all my makeup was done, and you guys can see what the lip plumping mask looked like. See you in a second. Okay, so we kind of jump back in time here. Sorry about that, but I really wanted to show you guys. This is a plumping lip mask. It's a gel mask. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's by the brand OK. I found it at Ulta. I think it was like $3. So I'm just gonna try it out because I really don't know what to expect. But it said plumping, and like, I'm doing this video, so I might as well give it a shot, right? This is what it looks like. Do my lips look plumped? Not really. My lips feel nice. Okay, so now that I did that, we can jump back into this video. So, yeah, I don't think that worked very well. It definitely made my lips soft, which was really nice because they're chapped, as you can see, like right here. Thanks, Buxom. Ooh, did I just say that? If you want to know what I'm talking about, you have to go follow my LuLu Creations Instagram. Okay, you guys, so after I do the lip plumping mask, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Tree Hut Sugar Lips to try and just get all this foundation off my lips. So I saw some girl who was using a toothbrush to apply her lip scrub, and I was like, that's really, really smart. Also, this is edible. It tastes really good. I have to pull up this picture. I'll show you guys what the picture is in a second. This is, let me hope you can see this. This is the photo. And I'm just gonna try it. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I did buy something special for the occasion. I went ahead and just bought this NYX Wonder Stick that has like a contour and a highlight. I figured it would be good to use for this. I know, this is gonna be so weird. This video was like going so good as a tutorial, and then I just had to get weird with it, you know? Like, why not? It's me. So there is my contour. Looks like that. And then this is my highlight. That looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see those very well. I went with the medium tan only because it was a cool undertone, and I really want a cool undertone. But now I'm kind of worried that maybe it's a little dark. But we'll see. So I'm gonna use a brush to apply because I really don't think I can just like go in with it. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to just grab some of that product. Looks like a decent amount. Okay, here we go. I'm doing it. Oh man. I'll actually zoom this in so you can see what I'm doing better. Go in on that other side. This is just ridiculous. Okay, so now that I look insane, let's do the bottom lip. Look, all contour is playing with shadows. So if I can fool y'all into thinking my lips are bigger than what they are, then my job was successful. Put that down, and then we're gonna switch to the highlight side. Let's grab some product. Okay, that should be enough. All right, and we're just gonna go right down the lip. Like that. Yes. Are you fooled yet? Let's take a beauty blender, damp, and we'll just start blending. Like I said, hopefully this wasn't too dark. The goal is to make people believe my lips are bigger than what they are. Is it working? I think it's kind of working. Like my upper lip definitely looks like when I put lipstick on, it should work even better, right? So now I'm gonna go in with my Lime Crime lip liner for Velveteens in the shade Minx. And yes, I am gonna overline my lips a little bit because that's the whole point of making this, right? Make my lips look bigger. After this, they took their liner and they made like contour marks on their lips just to kind of give this fullness effect that you would get like with actual lip injections. So we're gonna try it. Alright, now I'm going to put on lipstick, but I don't know what yet. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills color Catnip. I just need a little bit more, like one more layer to cover up the concealer that I accidentally just put back on my lid. Does it look like I have lip injections? Or does it just look like I overlined my lips? Maybe I should post a photo like on Instagram and be like, got lip injections, and see who believes me. I liked it. I think this worked. I actually think this was a pretty fun tutorial to do. I mean, no one's gonna really take you that seriously over lip injections anyways, and if they do, they have nothing better to do with their time because like who cares what someone else does with their body. However, I had a lot of fun with this. I think this is a very useful contouring method. So let me know what you guys thought about this surprise little tutorial at the end. Leave a comment down below so I can see what you guys think. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for the lash tutorial or the lip tutorial, whichever one you liked. And make sure that you go follow my Creations LuLu Instagram. I do a lot more updating on that throughout the week than I do on my YouTube. So make sure you go to Instagram and put in Creations LuLu and up my page will pop and you just hit that follow button and you can watch all my stories. I pretty much upload my story every single day. In addition to my Instagram, I also have a Twitter page. It is LuLu_creations. Make sure you go hit follow on that too. I try to stay as up to date as possible as I can with my page, but I am much more active on Instagram than I am on anything else. YouTube is probably second. So until next time guys, thanks for watching. Bye.